Prepare yourself to witness the rebirth of a legend, a name that has thrilled off-road enthusiasts for decades, and is now back, stronger, smarter, and more captivating than ever. Welcome to the new 2026 Suzuki Jimny, a vehicle that refuses to be tamed, a machine built for those who dare to conquer the wild, yet refined enough for the demands of modern city life. This is not just another SUV. It's a movement, a lifestyle, and a testament to the spirit of pure adventure that lives in all of us. As the world rushes towards luxury crossovers and high-tech urban commuters, the Suzuki Jimny stands proudly, offering something far more authentic: the raw, untamed joy of real driving, real exploration, and real freedom. Although the 2026 Suzuki Jimny has yet to be officially announced, anticipation is already reaching a fever pitch among fans and automotive insiders alike. Expected to make its grand appearance between late 2025 and early 2026, the new Jimny promises to be a quantum leap forward from its beloved predecessor. Suzuki engineers have gone back to the drawing board, not to erase what made the Jimny iconic, but to amplify it. What we are about to see is a masterful evolution, preserving that rugged DNA while infusing it with cutting-edge technology, improved comfort, and, for the first time ever, even greater versatility for both city explorers and backcountry adventurers. At the heart of the 2026 Jimny's transformation lies a bold design philosophy. Staying true to its heritage, the Jimny retains its unmistakable boxy silhouette, an aesthetic that is both functional and fiercely stylish. Those perfectly straight, vertical lines aren't just for show. They maximize interior space, improve outward visibility, and offer structural strength that's critical for serious off-roading. Every inch of the new Jimny's exterior radiates toughness, from its prominent, upright front grille, a loving homage to its classic forebears, to the iconic round headlights that now feature advanced LED technology. And yes, those headlight washers, designed to ensure maximum visibility even in the harshest conditions, are expected to make a return, a small but important detail that speaks volumes about the Jimny's off-road credentials. But Suzuki didn't stop there. They recognized that while the hardcore off-roaders are loyal, a new generation of drivers demands more flexibility. Enter the 5-door version and the truck-style pickup variant, two brilliant innovations that promise to broaden the Jimny's appeal without sacrificing its legendary spirit. Whether you need extra room for family adventures, urban errands, or rugged gear hauls into the wilderness, the 2026 Jimny will have an option tailored for you. This move not only strengthens the Jimny's urban appeal, but cements its status as one of the most versatile mini SUVs ever produced. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The 2026 Jimny's interior is expected to blend rugged functionality with modern comfort. High-quality materials, smarter layouts, and intuitive controls will define the cabin space, while maintaining that minimalist, adventure-ready aesthetic that Jimny fans cherish. Larger rear windows ensure better visibility, especially when navigating tight trails or urban parking lots. In the back, expect a practical yet stylish design. Compact taillights mounted low on the bumper to maximize off-road safety and avoid damage on tricky terrain. The cabin may even boast new tech features: touchscreen infotainment systems, smartphone integration, advanced driver assist systems, proving that while the Jimny honors tradition, it's not stuck in the past. Of course, what truly separates the Jimny from pretenders is its soul, its ability to go where few vehicles dare. And in 2026, that soul gets a significant upgrade. Under the hood, rumors strongly point to a 1.5-liter turbocharged mild hybrid engine. This powerhouse promises a remarkable balance between rugged performance and modern efficiency, delivering around 150 horsepower, a substantial improvement over previous models. Thanks to hybrid technology, not only will the new Jimny offer stronger low-end torque, essential for rock crawling and trail conquering, but it will also meet increasingly strict global emission standards, ensuring its relevance for years to come. Expect the new Jimny to feature cutting-edge suspension tuning, advanced four-wheel drive systems, and possibly even multiple terrain modes to further enhance its off-road capability. Whether it's muddy back roads, snowy mountain passes, or rocky desert trails. The 2026 Jimny will continue to live up to its legendary status as a compact but mighty off-road champion. Its lightweight design, solid axle construction, and superb maneuverability ensure that no obstacle is too daunting. Yet the 2026 Jimny isn't just about adventure. It's also about smart practicality. Thanks to improved fuel economy, it will serve as a responsible daily driver, perfect for bustling city streets, tight parking spaces, and weekend getaways. For those who seek a vehicle that seamlessly blends their weekday lives with their weekend passions, the Jimny will be an irresistible choice. Perhaps most exciting of all is the emotional connection the Jimny fosters with its owners. It's more than a car, it's a loyal companion. It's the machine that doesn't flinch when the road ends. It's the vehicle that invites you to dream bigger, to take the unbeaten path, to say yes to every adventure that calls your name. In an era of increasingly sterile, soulless SUVs, the Jimny stands defiantly different, full of character, heart, and history. As the release draws nearer, the automotive world watches with bated breath. Spy shots have captured glimpses of prototypes testing in remote locations. Rumors swirl about potential new features: modular roof racks, off-road performance packages, retro-inspired color options, even hints of an electrified Jimny in the distant future. If these reports hold true, the 2026 Jimny could represent not just an evolution, but a revolution, bringing Suzuki back to the forefront of compact SUV innovation. So whether you're a die-hard off-road purist, a city dweller longing for weekend escapes, or simply someone who values authenticity over gimmicks, one thing is certain: the 2026 Suzuki Jimny is poised to capture your heart. It is a celebration of freedom, of exploration, of daring to go where others can't, and doing it with style, reliability, and a spirit of endless adventure. The wait is almost over. The legend is returning. And when it does, it will roar across deserts, forests, mountains, and cities alike, reminding us all why some legends never fade. They just get stronger with time. Buckle up. The world's most beloved mini off-roader is about to write its greatest chapter yet. Welcome back, Jimny. We've been waiting for you.